film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths, in particular, Sally Hardesty and her invalid brother, Franklin. It is all the more tragic in that they were young. But had they lived very, very long lives, they could not have expected, nor would they have wished to see as much of the mad and macabre as they were to see that day. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare. The events of that day were to lead to the discovery of one of the most bizarre crimes in the annals of American history, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Like a pack of hounds. We were just having fun. You think this is a party?
Please. You can make him stop. No shit.
Shut your mouth. Can't be helped, young lady.
Oh, please.
Shut up.
Let them kill me.
No mind. You like this face?
You gotta make us stop. Please.
Nothing. He's just a cook. Shut up, you bitch hog. You let his face do all the work. He don't like it, ain't that right? You're just a cook. Shut your mouth. I just can't take no pleasure in killing. Just some things you gotta do. Don't mean you have to like it. I've been thinking about letting Grandpa have some fun. You always said he's the best. He's the best, all right. Just let him have a whack. Come on, Grandpa.